Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you all April's boxycharm. You ready? It's pretty exciting. I actually was like, yay, when I opened it because I saw can I talk? I saw an item that I actually had in my cart on the Sephora website. Like, can life get any better at this point? It's the makeup eraser. So this is the magical makeup eraser that you just literally use water, I think, and then it removes all your makeup. So it says it's antibacterial, reusable, lasts 3 to 5 years, great for sensitive skin, and saves money. So let's look into it. I love the soft touch fabric. I mean, packaging. Oh, it's huge. Okay. Hello. Not a fan of these colors, but that's fine. Bye bye makeup wipes forever. How to use. Machine wash before first use to activate fibers and prevent. Oh, okay, so I have to what? Alright, that's fine. Machine wash hot with your towel load, fabric softener, dryer sheet, and dryer safe. This is really large, but okay, I guess I can't use this now. I'll have to wash it. Keep you guys updated, I guess, because I actually really want to know how this works. I'll probably share it on Instagram. And then, where did I put this? I'll just put it back in the box. Up next is the LA Miss Superfood Sika Kaisha, I don't know, Calm Hydration Juice. Super Hydrating Gel / Super Gel Super Hydrant. What? Isn't that the same thing said twice? Well, here it is. Dash what it looks like. I don't know how to pronounce the brand or whatever CICA is. It says directions: apply every morning to cleanse skin. If in contact with eyes occurs, rinse well. Okay, let's see what this smells like. It smells like, I don't know, but it smells familiar for some reason. Or, yeah, it smells really like planty, but in a good, not florally, but it smells like it'd be a family member of an aloe. Does that make sense? Okay, I'm gonna try that. Let's just put it on my face now. I already cleansed my face, so we're clean. We are ready to go. Put one pump in my hand. Voila. Okay, you don't want, there we go. Ooh, it's cold. Ooh, that's cold. Okay. It didn't really say how to apply. It just said put it on your face after cleansing every morning. Okay, I think one pump was way too much. Ooh. It's really refreshing though. I like that. Ooh, I'm into this. Okay. Leaves your skin a little tacky, yeah, and a look a little bit of a grease ball, but I'm sure it'll sink into my skin. Next up is this guy, which I have considered purchasing multiple times. I just couldn't commit, but I do have huge pores, so this is going to do me a huge favor. Pore Primer by Benefit. Smoothing face primer to minimize the look of pores. I have huge pores and I want to get rid of my huge pores, but I'm also really scared to put any pore product in my skin because, you know, usually it just like fills your pores with shit and sometimes it's not the best for you. A book of rules. We're moving on, throwing that away. Okay. Is this full size? Wait, this is boxycharm. Of course it's full size. I forgot. Okay, let's try, actually, you know what? I'm gonna use the other product in the boxycharm to apply it. This is Hank and Henry beauty sponges. Oh, it looks like it's a boxycharm collaboration. Never heard of them. Okay, I'm going to wet these, dampen up a bit. 1 second. Okay, so I have wet the sponges. These are massive. Look at that. What the? Let me, you know what? That's crazy. Anyway. Where did I put my pore thingy? Oh, here. Okay, so to use, apply to face and bend with fingertips, wear alone, under makeup as a primer or over makeup to touch up. Oh, interesting. Oh, so I don't even need these. Well, we're gonna use them today eventually. I'm going to apply with my fingertips. There's a little cover on the lid there. Am I supposed to like, ooh, let me shake it up a little. I don't really know if this is gonna do anything, but there's a lot of like oil stuck at the top of it. Let me mush it around. You can see David there in the mirror. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this and apply it on my pores. My biggest pores are like here, here on my nose, and by my brows. Oh, you can apply it to your whole face if you wanted to. So there we go. I don't know if that did anything. Maybe it will. Maybe it won't. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do my regular makeup routine because the last product is actually makeup brushes. And I'll just do my makeup like I would like normal. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy today. I just want to have makeup on my face, but I don't want any crazy look, you know. I'm gonna use this spongy. In my last video, I was talking about these little ladle things. I found them when I was cleaning. So cleaning it's like cleaning your vanity or your apartment, your room, whatever. It's like going shopping all over again because you find stuff that you forgot you had or you forgot you bought. Okay, so I'm gonna mix the two foundations in my little glass thingy. I'm just gonna put it on here so I don't waste it. Were there any directions on this? Let's see. Foundation, sponge, full size and mini. Okay, so they're both for foundation. They can be used wet for a sheer application or dry for fuller coverage. Okay, we like sheer application because I don't want it to be too, you know, Instagram face today. So I'm just gonna dab my makeup everywhere. I actually love how giant this sponge is. Okay, I like the texture. And the sponginess to it is perfect. It's not too firm, but it's not too mushy. Is that the right term? Oh, I really like this. I think this is gonna replace my sponge I have now. Application is nice, very even. Considering how ginormous this is, it didn't like suck up all my foundation, if that makes any sense. If you hear noises, David's in the kitchen heating up spaghetti. I apologize. We live in a studio, so you can hear everything. That is nice. Wow, I really like that application. I feel like my foundation looks better. A+ from me on this guy. I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna replace the sponge I have now, which is the, what is this called? Real Techniques. Look, can we just, I mean, this does get pretty big too, but not this big. Look at their mini. It's like, look at that. Their mini is pretty much the same size as the regular Real Techniques one. But, oh my god, I love this. Okay, I'm gonna use the mini to apply my concealer. And I'm gonna use my usual Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer is what it's called. I'm just gonna use the viewfinder. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna have to grab my mirror. Who do I think that is? Alright, so here is my concealer. Oh wow. This is good. I like how I can really get into the corner because it's such a pointy end here, like super pointy. And I can really get into the outer corner of my eye, which I usually have an issue getting to, like the inner and outer corners of my eye with my concealer. Oh man, I'm a fan of that. Ooh, I love these sponges. Okay, now for my brows. Also, nothing new, so we're just gonna breeze through this process because this takes a little bit of time. Now, enjoy the music. Oh. If I take you down, would you really hold me down and be your best friend? That was a process. And now, I'm going to use the makeup brushes that came in the boxycharm. Where are they? Where'd I put it? Oh, wait, what? I just had, oh, they're right in front of me. What's wrong with me? I'm gonna go with, you know what? Let's do something a little different. I always use the Desi Katie makeup palette. Oh, here we go. Kathleen Light Zodiac. Here we go. This is her Zodiac palette. with ColourPop. Beautiful. Beautiful colors. And I'm gonna use, okay, so here are the 5 brushes this packet comes with by Lavish. Here are the 5 brushes. Oh, here we have an eyebrow groomer. I guess I should have done my brows with this, but that's okay. This is a liner. Dare I do eyeliner? No, we're not there yet. This is a tapered blending brush. Looked like this. There we go. And a pencil, I guess. This would be good for like buffing out and eye shading. Flat brush. Okay. Now let's go for something a little, I always do warm, and we're gonna go for warm today because I feel like it matches my earthy outfit. You know what I mean? I'm gonna go in with the tapered blending brush and dip into the shade Taurus, or the Taurus, this one right here. Wow, picks up a lot of product. You guys see that pimple on my brow? She says hi. She says, I hope you're having a great day, because she's living her best life on my face. To be honest, I'm not really the best judge when it comes to brushes because I don't buy them often. I'm not too familiar with makeup brushes, so I'm still a rookie with makeup. This brush really allows for some good payoff on this shadow. This reminds me of how amazing ColourPop shadows are. I completely forgot. And then I'm gonna go in with Aries, which is this orangey shade. And I'm going to use the, what is this? The eye shading brush. Tap it on one end. Might use the other end for another color, so I'm trying to be careful with that. I don't really like colored brushes like this because I feel like it kind of messes with the color of the shadow when you put it on your brush. Not like the physical product, but just the way it looks. And I'm just going to cover my entire lid with this color. This brush is a little small, so it's taking a while to cover my entire lid. And I have some fallout. I guess I'll have to clean that up with concealer. This is exactly why I like to do my freaking eyes first, because I'm a mess. Okay, now I'm gonna use a little detail brush and put Leo, which is that color. Sorry about my mirror. This one here. This is like really, really metallic-y. I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. Ooh, this is a really good inner corner brush. Oh snap. Oh snap, oh snap, oh snap. My inner corners are now going to be amazing from now on. I don't have a proper inner corner brush. This is a good one. Usually I'll just like use my finger in most cases. And then without putting any more product on my brush, I'm just going to feather out. Look at this makeup face. So cute. Okay. Very right. I think I took it out a little too far on this one. That's okay. Alright, going back in with my concealer and using the mini foundation brush that came in the boxycharm. I'm just gonna, oh, what am I doing using my right hand? Am I okay? I'm just gonna wipe this clean and wipe this. My camera card got full for a second, so I had to put a pause, and my freaking concealer settled into my skin a little too long. Okay. I'm using the bottom part. I'm so aggressive. Okay, that's fine. That'll do. No mascara, because what's the point right now, because my lashes are pinned straight and I don't have a curler, so you won't even see them. But let me put on some lipstick. Some lipstick. Hi, Jinxie. Let me put on my liner first. This is Morphe Backseat Love. It's kind of a nudie pink color. Wow, this color is really close to the shade of my lips. Well, like the inside part of my lip. And let me apply this. This is Ultra Satin Lip. ColourPop's texture. Oops. Ooh, I don't know if I like this color with this eyeshadow. I don't like. Removing lipstick. You know what? I think I'm just gonna go with the gloss. Yeah. I'm just gonna go with the... Oh my god, it stained my lips. I know I still have some foundation on this thing, so reapply that. I removed most of it. I'm just gonna wear the Fenty Beauty lip gloss because can't go wrong with Fenty. Honestly, can you, homegirl? No, you cannot. That's much better. And that's it. That is my makeup for the day. And my little boxycharm unboxing slash try on. And I'm pretty happy with this month's box. I'm gonna use all of it. My favorite items in the box have to be these guys. Obsessed. I would highly recommend purchasing these because they're so firm and fluffy at the same time, and it doesn't eat up your product, which is surprising because these things are like, this is freaking huge. And I was like, wait, what flat part? But now I think about it, this would be really nice if you had, you know, some sort of like liquid bronzer or something that you're applying onto your skin and kind of give you that chiseled. And this would be good also for putting the translucent powder to set your skin if you want to do, again, that chiseled look. That'd be really nice to get perfect lines if you want perfect lines. And I love how sharp the ends are to this for applying your concealer in like the tiniest little corners. Perfect. Amazing, amazing. But that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope I entertained you well enough for these last few minutes during this quarantine. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!